Look what's in my cash drawer. See that mouse back there?
Emily, look what's in the cash drawer. You see it? Yeah! It's stuck in there. I opened the drawer and it just jumped at me. How did he get in there?
Hey, this will be great.
Yeah. Emily, oh my gosh. How do we get it out, Eric?
Oh, we'll get the whole drawer out, but I'm gonna mess with him for a little bit since you did this, buddy. You kidding me? You eat my Doritos, you get my snacks, and now you're in my cash drawer. You after my money? What is your problem? I would have screamed like a woman.
I was like, oh my gosh, it's a mouse. It's cute though. It's real cute. Yeah. No, I was like, I have to fix this for you.
There he is. Isn't he cute, the little son of a...
Oh, he's probably scared. We need to get him out of here.
Oh, are you scared? I feel so
We need to
bad.
save him. How did he get in that drawer?
You piece of vermin. He probably got in there in between transactions. Watch him jump out. He's gonna go for launch.
Oh my gosh, Eric.
Get out of there.
Get out of there, buddy.
Go.
Come on. Oh, he peed.
Oh, great. Thanks.
Go on,
Thanks,
Bob.
man. You couldn't get out of there without taking a leak.
No. Oh, he's so scared.
I'm about ready to stomp him. Get out.
Don't stomp him.
Go.
Come on, buddy. Oh my gosh, he's a quick one. He's gone.
Foul spawn of the underworld. Now I gotta wipe your urine out of my drawer.
Oh